Welcome to watch the unboxing video of Newdermo K30 beauty device. There are two color options. 24K Gold Head Care Kit. Silver Head Premium Kit. Open the outer box and you will see the product. Neutral brush head and host. EMS Microcurrent Head 星号1。Ion Import and Export Head 星号1。Hot and Cold Compress Head 星号1。Adapter 星号1。Silicone Placing Seat 星号1。Charging Cable 星号1。Bottom Clamping Seat 星号1。Support Rod 星号1。Take out the base. Take out the support rod. Connect to the base. Take out the silicone seat and dock it with the support rod. Accessories display. Welcome to the next episode of Efficacy Introduction.